What is logo programming? Logo means language of graphic oriented. It is a simple computer programming language which is used to draw figure, type text and perform simple mathematical or arithmetic calculation. It is especially developed for kids to be basic idea about the programming. MSW Logo is the product of Microsoft Corporation which can be used with Microsoft Windows operating system. It is developed by George Mills. Features of logo. It is very easy to use and learn. It is used to draw figures. It is used to do arithmetic calculation. It is allows to type and print text. How to start MSW logo? First click on start, then click on Microsoft Windows logo. If there is not display, click on source and type Microsoft Windows logo.